In this video, we're going to work on writing numbers in words. So if we have a problem like this that says write the number 582 in words. So we know that this is 582, and what we need to look at are numbers that are already written as words. So to do this properly, we need to remember our place values, right? So the hundreds, the tens, and the ones. So if we look at this number, 582, this is the hundreds place value, this is the tens place value, and this is the ones place value. So we could look at here, what does 500 look like spelled out? And it's right here, 500. And then for the 8, we know that's 80. So we could see it here, 80. And then for the ones, it's 2. So we could see that here. So then how are we going to write that out? It's going to look like this. 582. So you should take a screenshot of this so that you have it, or you could just re-watch the video and pause it when you need to do this for a word problem in school. So don't worry if you don't understand this right away. Just rewind the video. It's very simple to understand, and then it'll be easy for you to do other numbers that are similar to this.